Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find the section with apps and tap on app management. So here we've got the list of apps which are right now installed on this device, and I highly recommend to go through all of them, especially those which are using pretty usually. For example, I don't know, messages or social media or something like that. Simply enter the specific app, go to storage usage and find cache. Basically, cache are the junk files which are saved by the device, but they are not necessary. However, they are still occupying the memory, so just find them and tap on clear cache. And as I said, I highly recommend to do it for each of those apps, especially those which are using pretty usually. Another thing which you can do after clearing the cache is to try to restart your device, because thanks to it you will be able to, let's say, confirm the changes. So just press the power button and volume up button once, and then just drag this ball to this restart option, and your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and you will, as I said, confirm the changes. And another thing which you can do is to find the phone manager. This is the pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. Just open it, and here your device can help you to clean itself. Here we've got the optimize option, so just tap on it and your device will optimize itself. You've got also this cleanup storage option where you can clean everything. You can check the details, so your device will show you what it will actually remove. But under it you've got also a deep cleanup, so for example you can remove some photos, videos, apps, documents, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.